Hi there, students. A gewgaw. Gewgaw. Okay, a gewgaw is a small, cheap, showy piece of jewellery or an ornament. Yeah, it's one of these bright, huge rings, but not made necessarily of diamonds and precious stones. So a gewgaw is a useless, worthless piece of jewellery, a gaudy knick-knack, gaudy. Notice, if you use this word gewgaw, it implies the person who's wearing it or who has it has no taste. Yeah, a gewgaw is something tacky, something that has little real artistic value. Yeah, it's cheap, worthless and showy, and its main idea is to be showy. So, for example, I don't know if you've ever seen Liberace, or Elton John sometimes as well. They like to wear gewgaws on their fingers. These big, bright, showy rings, yeah? Gaudy, cheap rings. Well, mind you, with those two, they've got a lot of money, so maybe they're the real thing. But a gewgaw. My aunt's house is decorated with gewgaws. Okay, so a knick-knack, a little ornament, particularly a piece of jewellery that's very bright and showy, but worthless and tasteless as well. So remember, this word is critical. They can trace this word back to Middle English, something showy, but no more, so I don't know the origin of it. Now, your next question is formality. Gewgaw. This sounds very literary. This sounds really quite formal. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. If you used it in the pub, they probably go, "What? What's a gewgaw?" Okay, so restrict this to a formal setting, particularly if you're writing a descriptive essay or something like that. It's a really good word to use. Notice it's critical of the taste of the owner of the gewgaw. Yeah, I think informally I'd say flash, showy, a showy ornament, a flash ornament, maybe a tacky ornament. I think those would work in an informal setting. But keep this word gewgaw for something more formal. Okay, gewgaw. Probably not the most common word in English, although I think people may well understand it. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A gewgaw. Countable noun.